Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and today I'm going to do a 10-minute sew. This dress is so cute, so comfy, and we can sew it up so quick. So let's do it together and let me show you just how quick and easy it is to sew up this dress. Let's get started. For this pattern, we need our dress front and back, we need our sleeves, and we need a neckband. This pattern has a couple different options of neckbands. It's got a low neckband and a high neckband. I'm going to go with the low neckband. It's got different size sleeves, short, 3/4 sleeve and long sleeve, and it's also got an option for patch pockets, which I'm not going to be doing. This pattern is drafted for a 5'5", so I'm going to be adding a little bit of length to my pattern by cutting out the line where it has the length and shorten line and just moving it down an inch to add length to my dress because I am taller than 5'5". The really cool thing about using PDF patterns is that you can print them right at home and you can use the layer formats, so you only have to print your size. You don't have to print all the different sizes. Once you print them together, you go ahead and put the pattern together, your pattern pages together to create your pattern and cut them out. We do have a video on this on our YouTube channel if you want to check it out. Once that's put together, you select your fabric, select your options, and you can go ahead and cut your pattern out. I am using a double brush poly, which is so beautiful, and I am using a rotary cutter on my cutting mat. I find that a lot easier to cut than just using scissors. My fabric, when I'm cutting my pattern and it is cut on the fold, your fabric should be mirrored. So it doesn't matter if you fold it right sides together or wrong sides together, they just need to be mirrored. I'm cutting them wrong sides together now just because I want to see how far this fabric goes because of the shape, not for any other reason. Now that we have our pattern all cut out, we have our back, our front, our sleeves, and our neckband. We're gonna grab our front and our back and we're gonna place them right sides together at the shoulders, and we're going to sew those shoulders together using your preferred stretch stitch. I am going to be using a serger, but you don't have to use a serger. You can use a sewing machine and a stretch stitch as well. Once the shoulder seams are sewn, we're gonna open up that arm side right by their shoulder, and we're going to place our sleeve right sides together right on that shoulder seam. And we're gonna do that for both sleeves. Once our sleeves are attached, we're gonna go ahead and turn them right sides together, match our armpit seam, and go all the way down the side seams, matching our sleeves together and our sides together. This dress has a beautiful curve out where the skirt kind of flares out right at the lower hip area, and it gives you like this cute little flare that's kind of like a, you know, spinning and twirling kind of dress, which makes it super cute. Another thing that I love about this dress is that it also comes in kid sizes, so you can make it for yourself, you can make it for your child, you can make it for many others, and it is super cute for both. We're gonna also grab our neckband and we're gonna prep it by folding it wrong sides together first and give it a memory crease. Now we're gonna prep our neckband by folding it back over that memory fold and marking the quarters by going to the front, matching the back and going to the front, and then matching the front and the back and going to the sides. We're also gonna prep our neckband by matching your shoulder seams and going to the back, and then going to the front, and then matching your back and your front and marking your quarters. Because our shoulder seams are not our quarters, we don't wanna go by our shoulder seams, we wanna go by the marks that we make our own quarter marks. Once those quarter marks are made, we'll go ahead and match the quarter marks of our neckbands with the quarter marks of our bodice, right sides together. We're gonna sew our neckband up by stretching lightly so that the neckband and the bodice fit together. I'm gonna do that on my serger. We do have a video on our YouTube channel that shows just exactly how to do neckbands if you need more help with that. While we're at it, I am also going to go ahead and do a memory crease for my hem on my sleeves and my bodice. As I'm doing a curved hem, I love to kind of pull on the fabric, just tug a little bit so it kind of curves with me as I'm going. I use a Brother Pacesetter 2340 CB cover stitch, and it is a nice entry-level machine. I would like to upgrade at some point, but for now it does the job and it does it well. All right, friends, we are done, and I really love it. I think it turned out amazing. Let me know below what you think. Quick, cute, super easy. I love that twirl too. I think it does so great and it's so pretty. I love how it hangs out a little bit at the sides, flares out. Remember that this also has the kid option, so that's super cute. Let me show you a couple other ways I style it. Pair it with a jean jacket and some casual flats for just a fun everyday look, to go out with some girlfriends, run around town, run some errands, go play with the kids. I love this, so comfy and cute. And then you can dress it up by adding a black hat, some urban leggings, and some booties, and I'm ready to go. I think it looks super cute, a little bit more fancy, just a little bit more fun. You want to see another option? Let me show you. It's a little bit cold outside, so I threw on one of my cozy Chapman cardigans. I threw on some riding boots, left my urban leggings on, and I'm ready to go outside and face the cold weather. Well, as cold as it really gets over here. It doesn't get very cold in South Georgia, but it does get a little chilly. I love how this dress is so versatile with what you can add to it. You can layer it, you can wear it casual or dressy. You can change the look by just adding different fabrics. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. Go to ellieandmac.com and find these cute patterns. Actually, the link to this pattern will be right below, so go to the information box and find the link to this pattern, go grab it and sew it up with me. So easy, so quick, so cute. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!